Hello and welcome to another episode of the Scenario Editor for Dummies series. This episode is again featuring the task object trigger, as I found out that quite a lot of things I didn't cover in the last episode can be quite interesting interesting to know, good to know, as the trigger has while having large possibilities, it also has some problems, like things don't work properly or work in a strange way, and those are the things I'm talking about in this video. So let's test this scenario, and yeah, basically what I did here, I placed a line of spearmen and different units or buildings. I can garrison units inside. So when I select this outpost, the trigger starts. So you can see here, units properly garrison inside transport ships and ramps, but they can't enter general towers, town centers, or castles. So it's good to know you can use the task object trigger to load up your transport ships or siege ramps. But this isn't working with watchtowers, town centers, and castles. So moving on to the next example. Here, in this case, I used the task object trigger on the castle, and the goal is this house. By the way, the diplomatic stance towards player 2 is, in this case, neutral, because if it was enemy, I would start attacking automatically and you couldn't see the effect of the trigger. So if I select this outpost, the castle starts attacking. And now the weird part about it starts. If I am producing units here, I'll just quicken it up a bit. The castle stops attacking, but this doesn't always work after the first unit got produced. Sometimes only after the second, the third, or even the fourth. As you should see right about now. Yeah, this time it stopped after producing 3 longbowmen. But in other tests, it did stop after the first one, after the second one, or even after the fourth one. So this is quite interesting, and I think you basically could do something with this. Although I, right now couldn't come up with an idea how to use the task object on this building that would make sense, as changing the diplomatic status towards the player is way easier, as you automatically start attacking enemy units or buildings. Well, that's basically all I wanted to talk about in this episode. If you got anything else about the task object trigger, or in general about about triggers or scenario editors, well, the scenario editor of H1+2, of course, I'd be glad if you could leave a comment, and I'll talk about that in a future video. The next video I will be doing, the next scenario editor tutorial video I'll be doing, is about how to spawn units. So if you got a scenario where you want to let's say let an army appear out of nowhere, like reinforcements coming from somewhere outside the map, you need to use the create object effect, and that will be the topic for the next video. This was it for today. Thanks for listening, and see you on the next video.